We have arrived at our next stop up the coast and are all set up. We're in Florence, Oregon, and check out our view. So now I guess there's nothing left to do but go explore what's out here. We just drove into Waldport and we're out by the bridge. Look at these towers behind us. These things.
What are they?
They're so tall and pointy. They look like something that if you're making a movie like a King Kong, that's what he would die on. You'd make him fall on those.
Oh, that's a horrifying thought.
They're built like giant spears, like ice picks. Ice picks. Have you ever walked out on the bridge?
I think I did when I was really little. But when I was here, 20 some odd years ago. But yeah, I think we did. Been a long time though. Chocolate is so good.
This is how we hike now.
This is like my new favorite thing.
This is the Devil's Churn. Just have waves hitting, smashing up against the rocks. This is Neptune Beach, And the river right here. Pretty cool. I don't know how long this road is.
Me either. We've been on it for a little while. Believe it or not, these up here are sand dunes. Covered in some sort of seagrass. And it's quite beautiful out here.
This place is known for sand dunes. So we figured we should come take a look at them. Even though I don't like walking in sand and we don't have an off-road vehicle to go drive in the sand dunes. We should come out and look at them. So we're driving down the road to see what it is.
I found out something new about Ryan on this trip. Ryan hates sand. I love sand. He grew up going to Yosemite and camping in the mountains. I grew up vacationing at the beach. So, there you go. I love sand. I love to take my shoes off and walk barefoot in the sand. Ryan would prefer to just stand up away from the sand and just look at it.
Yeah. I don't like how it gets in everything.
Okay, so. Wow, this road just keeps going forever, doesn't it?
Leaving the fee area.
Okay.
Okay, we had to come see what was up here.
We found a path that does not have a lot of sand for Ryan, so we'll see if this actually leads anywhere.
Oh, it's so deep.
Don't come up here.
Don't come up there? Or do?
So cool, you missed it.
The sand is so fine.
It is really fine. I'm just going to have to get you a pair of these boots.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, the sand's off. Ow.
Sand. Not gonna be good for anybody.
It's very difficult.
Yeah, see, that's why I don't like it. Ah, it sank. Shoes are gonna be full of sand.
It smells like smoked fish. Who's smoking fish out here?
Seagull out here. Still getting hit with sand out here.
I don't think so. Maybe it's just blowing out of my hair.
Look at his weather vane.
Yeah.
He's like leaning into it. Off he goes. This has been notched up by fishermen.
It's on the wrong side though, the notches. Oh, unless they didn't do poles, they just did like strings hanging over.
Yeah, crabs.
Maybe it's crabbing pots.
It said on the sign it was a crab something or other.
Oh, it's a crab catching.
Wow.
Mercy. Yeah. This is a good sight, Ryan.
I know, we never remember to take video of it, but this one's such a good sight.